Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel, and this video might be up a little bit late, but welcome to my Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing for the month. I was honestly not sure if I was going to get to it this month or not, but we're here and we're able, so why not? Let's just go ahead and start in with one of the power picks that they gave me. And if you are new to Boxycharm, it is a beauty subscription box. I think after all is said and done, shipping and everything, my price here it retails for about $32.99 each month, but the retail value is very good. I think it's a minimum of $125 per month, so I will go ahead and leave the information listed in the description box down below. But let's go ahead and start in with their first power pick of the month. They give me 2 power picks and then I get to pick 3 items in the box, and I absolutely love it. But it is the Ofra Cosmetics. It's their Benvidos a Miami palette. It retails for $42. Get ready to bring Miami's sizzling energy straight to your face with this vibrant, versatile, full face palette with 2 stunning highlighters that transform from liquid to baked perfection, along with highly pigmented bronzers, blushes. This palette perfectly captures the essence of Miami's Art Deco and neon-filled streets. Now, I've gotten Ofra Cosmetics in past boxes, and I gotta admit, I do like them. I feel like this one here, I just feel like it's a little bit deep for my skin tone. I mean, I can do this top row pretty well, but this bottom row is a little bit deep, but that's fine because I can always use it for eyeshadows. This blush shade here is absolutely beautiful. I feel like I've got a lot of these kind of shades in my collection already, but nonetheless, I have been enjoying this palette. The next power pick that they gave me is, this is the one item I haven't tried in the box yet, but it is their Tula Skincare So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub, and I feel like it goes so well for this time of year because it smells like pumpkin spice. I do want to try it. Yeah, it smells really good. I do want to try it. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but it retails for $34. This soft and smooth skin is on the menu with this gentle scrub. Made with a pumpkin spice twist, this formula buffs your skin and melts away excess oil, buildup, and debris. The addition of probiotic extracts and superfoods boosts your skin's softness, while fruit enzymes help unclog pores to leave you feeling fresh and radiant. And again, I haven't tried this yet, but I am so anxious to try it. It smells so good. I'm not a big fan of fragrance and products, but I am a pumpkin spice girl, so I'm excited to have this in my box, and again, I'm so excited to try it out. The first my pick is this Aloe Yoga Skincare Luminizing Face Moisturizer. It retails for $48. Your new fave moisturizer has entered the chat. This powerful yet lightweight formula is specially designed to give you a luminous all-day glow without any heavy scent, formulated with the vitamin C rich amla, which is a revered super berry from Ayurvedic traditions, along with aloe, avocado oil, marula oil, and other plant-based wonders. This moisturizer not only deeply hydrates, but also helps brighten your skin's appearance. Now, it takes me a while to really know whether or not I like a skincare product. I like that it's thick. I don't know how much I notice the overall glow, but it feels really nice on the skin, and so far I have absolutely no complaints about this. I can see myself really liking it, but you do need a thin amount, and I love how you can feel it really getting moisturized into your skin. However, if you are using this before makeup, make sure you give it a good amount of time to set down, otherwise it will it needs time, because it just takes it will leave your face and your skin kind of feeling thick, but once it dries down, once it sinks into the skin, it's fine. I haven't had any problems putting makeup on top of it. I prefer to wait a minute before going in with other makeup products. My second my pick item is this Sleek E Silk E Heat Defense Serum. It retails for $18. Ready to say goodbye to heat damage and hello hair goals. This lightweight serum helps protect your precious strands from up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit of thermal styling and blow drying, so you can do it all guilt-free. Not only does it help shield your hair from moisture loss, but it also tames those frizzy moments to help leave your hair looking sleek and shiny. And you can use this on dry hair or damp hair. I have been playing around with it. I have been absolutely loving it. This might be like a holy grail hair product for me. And every time that I get a chance to get hair care in my Boxycharm, I always go for it, just because it's not really something I like buying at the store. But I do enjoy getting it. And this here, I've noticed that I've been wanting to use it on like day 2, day 3 hair, where I want to use my original heat styling sprays on like day 1 of styling. But then when I'm just wanting to touch up a little bit throughout the week, I'm wanting to straighten or curl a few extra pieces, I just need it, I'll go in with just a small little drop of this, add it where I want to restyle my hair, and it works out just well. But I've also tried it out from on styling days where I'm on day 1 hair, and it seems to be working out really well. But I can see myself, like, I am loving this. This is honestly, I've only had this for a few days, but so far it has definitely been my go-to, and it leaves my hair feeling absolutely amazing after I wear it. I'm not using it today, but I've been just absolutely like all over this stuff. And the last item that I picked in my box is the Lauren Skincare Lip Oil in Strawberry. It retails for $22. Lips, prepare to be pampered with this ultra hydrating lip oil enriched with shea butter and vitamin E. Experience this cushiony feel as it helps replenish your lips' moisture barrier, leaving them soft, smooth, and oh so juicy. Not only does it condition and soothe, but also adds a subtle sheen for a natural, radiant pout. And I, all in all, feel just okay about this. The scent is okay. It's not my favorite. It's not my least favorite. It's not so strong that I feel like I want to gag afterwards, or it's not like just overwhelming. But it's just, I feel like I've tried other lip oils that have a stronger moisturizing power to them. I usually wear lip oils before makeup, and then at the end of my makeup routine I'll apply lipstick over them. So, and the sheen is very subtle. I mean, it's there, but it's not like overly there. This will probably go in my lip prep drawer. So I like it, but I wouldn't say it's like life-changing, like, oh my goodness, like this is everything. But because I have it in my collection, I will use it. And again, I do like getting lip oils and things like that in my boxes, just because it's not something I like to buy, but it is one of those items that I find is necessary in a makeup collection and in my skincare routine. Anyway, that is everything I have in my box this month. I will go ahead and leave on the screen the total retail value. Overall, I am happy with the box. I did choose a more skincare oriented box this month. I think this was my only like true makeup item that I picked out, but I am happy with it, and I'm just excited to continue to use and play with these products. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.